and now I have the skills to see it and to make changes. Okay, so must stop desensitizing with high-level sexual stimuli, which especially includes pornography and sexual media, lusting, masturbation, and fantasy. Okay, then number two is resensitize your brain. It's essential to start rebuilding those dopamine receptors in your brain and increasing the functioning within the reward center and the reward pathways. Again, on the brain map, I can see the level of dysfunction in the reward center and the reward pathways. I can see what I call drain brain is your brain is stuck in neutral and it's not able to have the healthy baseline arousal pattern, which means then it's difficult for you to feel stimulated if you are not using healthy baseline levels.